Hello guys, good evening. Alright, so in this video I want to show us how to cut our regular senator outfits. So I had to fold in this form, making sure that the stripe is going from up to down. Then you make sure you fold in line with the customer's chest. Then you iron out as shown. Take your time to iron out the fabric as shown. Then trim off uneven edge at the hem, and then I have it to be a two fabric for one customer, so I'm trying to cut the both of them together. So I'm trying to fold equally, making sure that the chest measurement about 4 plus extra 2 is being considered. Then I iron out the edges, making sure that the both edges are lapping properly and there is no rumples on the fabric. Then iron out properly as shown. Then after this, the next thing we do now is to mark out your baseline and then add extra 4 inches at the hem while you apply the top length. So I am trying to bring my rule. I mark out the baseline, make sure it's marked out properly, and then mark extra 4 inches there for the folding, and then apply your top length of 6 inches, mark it 2 times, then connect as shown. Then get your armhole. So I have a chest line of 40, then 40 over 4 is 10, minus 1 is 9, formula for the armhole of the long sleeve. Then apply 40 there, plus extra 2 inches, then shoulder is 19, then add extra half, then come down by 2.5, then come in there by 1.5, connect as shown. The neckline is 16 over 6, 2.333, that's 2.66 minus 0.3 is 2.3, that's 2.1 quarter. Then connect as shown, and then you make sure you cut out as properly marked. So you cut out this fabric in this form, then make sure you are cutting exact of the position you marked. Then after this, differentiate the front and the back by marking a chalk on the fabric. Then fold again for the back, making sure you also fold in line with the chest over 4 plus extra 2 inches. Then place this front panel as shown in this way, and then after which you iron out the fabric at once, and then repeat the same process, making sure that there's no rumples on the fabric. Then iron out every other component. Please, if you're a first time viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel and watch my previous videos on how to draft a perfect senator outfit, which will go a long way to make you understand the time lapse I am doing in this video. Then placing this fabric 1 inch above the length, very important, and then raise here by 3 inches at the neckline area and 2.5 at the armhole area, and then connect the line as shown. Then slant your rule this way, back neck remains 1.5 inch deep, then cut out in this form. Then as you can see how my back line is a bit sunken at the center back, then cut exact of this. Now when trimming, you can now differentiate the armhole of the front and back, but then in this video I am using equal armhole for the both front and back panel. Now the next I am trying to cut here is my sleeve, then cutting out the excesses that way, and then making sure I fold the fabric in this form. The stripe must come from up to down as well, but remember there will be a curve at the base, so I will not use the same stripe direction to do my curve. I will put it the other way round, so trying to make sure the foldings are equal. So because of the blue one is a 3/4 sleeve, so I have to cut the long sleeve first. Then the sleeve length I have is 25, then minus an extra 3, then 23 plus 1, 24. The one I added was for the joint allowances. Then apply your measurement this way, then cut out the sleeve in this direction. Then if you have been watched my previous videos on how to cut your normal senator outfit, I will kindly advise you to watch the video for you to learn more on a very cooler plain format of the video. Now this is just a video to refreshing our memory in case some of us might have forgotten or might have gotten any confusion on how to do this. So I will try my best to be bringing out videos like this more, but then the cost of fueling is not it's not really giving us space to record videos anymore in a normal recording format. So you just enjoy the video and make sure you learn from the previous videos I have been making on this channel, and make sure you invite your friends to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more of our illustrations on this channel. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Tell me where you're watching from. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.